Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to tie Owambe Gele that you could use for your wedding parties and any occasion of your choice. So keep watching. We made 4 pleats we placed in front of our head slanty to make a V-shaped gele, then crossed at the back. Normally when crossing, the shorter hand comes on top, the longer hand goes under. So keep watching. Can you see what I'm saying? When you're done with that, when you're done arranging, you proceed to arrange the pleats on that shorter flap to cover and form the V. Please, when you're doing it, ensure that the V is at the center of your head, that your nose line. So keep watching. It's very easy to do, and in like 5 minutes you should be done with this style of gele. So after we've done making the V shape, we are going to hold at the middle. Can you see? We are not going to fold everything. We are not tying, we are knotting. Sorry, we are twisting. Now you bring the longer flap up, you make 4 pleats or 5 pleats depending on how or what your hand can carry. Then you go ahead, see, you're going to take that part, that middle part, and twist. That's what you're going to do. The shorter flap, you're going to take the where the pleat ended with the longer flap, the middle part, then you twist and pin. We are not tying, please take note. When you're done, you ensure that you pin properly and secure it very well so that it doesn't move. Now you're going to see why we do not use everything from the shorter flap. Just watch carefully. After we are done pinning, we are going to arrange that longer flap well. Please, when you're doing it, ensure that your pleats are in line. This particular one, the thing was covering my base pleat, so I had to bring it forward. Can you see what I'm saying? So after we are done arranging it and everything is in order, we go ahead to take pleats on top, from top to the bottom, to form a bow. So keep watching. Can you see it? After that, now that part that we did not tie or we did not twist together, that's what we are going to use to pin, to ensure that our bow is properly secure and is in shape. Can you see what I'm doing? You arrange it properly, put it under, then you go ahead to pin. When you're pinning, please ensure that you pin until you're satisfied with the outcome. So after we are done with that, we go ahead to take this part or a pleat from this part of the bow and pin to the base. Then you repeat the same thing on the other side. Then you go ahead to form the bow the way you want, to your desired taste. Can you see it? Our bow is taking shape. So after we are done with that, we go over to this other flap and repeat the same thing. You take a pleat, pin to the base, then you construct your bow the way you want and pin where necessary. When you're done with this, you go ahead to cover the back properly and neatly. We are already like 80% done with our gele. So you style with your accessories, and that is that. I hope you like this style. If you don't have money, this is a go-to and it's very, very nice. You can do it yourself. Just watch the video carefully and you're going to achieve this look. Now we go over to the next one. For this one, our measurement is 50-50. And you're not going to make any pleats. Just fold a little, place in front of your head, cross at the back as seen. Now when you're done crossing, you go ahead to twist both flaps and tie in front. So keep watching. Can you see? So after we are done tying, we go ahead to make something like a rose. Just watch and see. Very easy to do. You expand the flap that you're working on and do it in a circular manner or in a circular motion and pin at the back. Can you see how I'm doing this one? That's exactly what you're going to do. Then you pin it together, but ensure that the part that you're pinning is at the back where it's not visible. Now you go ahead to repeat the same thing on the second flap. This one, you can see it's kind of like bigger than the other one, so we had to fold it before doing it in a circular motion to pin. Now when we are done pinning, we go ahead to style the way we wanted. This rose pattern could be in front, could be any way you want it. Just style it the way you want it. And this is another easy to do Owambe Gele that doesn't take time. So from the ones that you've seen, which one are you going to rock to your occasion? And please do not forget to cover the back. If you have your hair out, ensure that you do it neatly. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.